When setting up services to sell to subscribers, it's important to know the 4 elements of a service in Vision. Services are broken out into an item, a package, an area, and an offer. Each of these 4 layers work together to provide the user with an accurate list of services that are available to buy with a specific address location, either when looking up directly online or while talking to a representative over the phone. The service item and package define the what of the service, detailing what type and speeds the service is offering to the subscriber, and the service area and offer define the where of the service, detailing the location-specific availability, and the who to define the buyer as a business or residential. Setting up a service item is the first step in creating a service that will be offered to subscribers. A service item could be anything from physical assets like hardware and equipment to logical assets like circuits and services. A service item can also be used to gauge and indicate a subscriber's interest in a new or projected service. These items will be combined together to make a service package. To add a service item into Vision, start by clicking the floating action button in the right-hand corner. The first thing to do is enter the attributes of the service item, whether it's a service or installation fee. The attributes will provide the name, description of the item, define the category of the item, and service location. The service location is the way to tie it to another database location within Vision. For example, a service connection would be tied to the parent circuit database. An equipment item would be tied to the hardware database in Vision. The next step is to select the appropriate tax item type. This ties into the taxing database from Vision's integration with CCH data by Wolters Kluwer. For example, a voice service could be categorized to the interconnected VoIP fixed basic service charges. Please consult with your accountant when establishing the tax attributes of the products and services being sold. If the service item is a fiber or wireless service, then set up the appropriate regulatory and provisioning information. This can vary based on the integration points with your hardware. Then select Add Service Item to confirm the item into Vision and be ready to be added to a service package. Service packages are made up of 1 or more service items. Packages will be displayed as a service offer in the public shopping cart for the subscriber to choose from. When setting up a service package's attributes, you can set up the length of install, term, and workflow. If the package is a broadband service, the name of the package should describe the expected speeds of the service, and it needs to include any equipment or installation items, whether it has a billable cost or is no charge to the subscriber. This allows the system to tie hardware to the package. Once the attributes of the service package are filled out, the next step is to add the service item or multiple items to the package. After selecting an item for a service package, the next step is to add the price of the service item. The last step of setting up a service package is to choose whether or not to allow quantity editing and how much of a payment is required at the time of sale, if any. Once a package is set to production, it cannot be edited or changed. When adding a package, set it first to development to allow initial changes before setting it into production and the system. With Vision being a geospatial location-based system, the where of the subscriber is important. The service area and service offer work together to define what services are available based on the address of the subscriber. Service areas are geographical shapes defined by the service provider in Vision. Service areas are the key to how Vision will know which service packages are allowed to be sold where. When set up and managed properly, all potential subscribers whose address point lands within the service area shape will be given the option to purchase the defined packages or pre-sign up for a future service through the internal or public shopping cart. To add a new service, start with either uploading a KML shapefile to the system, or if a shapefile is not available, you can simply draw a polygon shape directly into the system using the Google Maps interface. The following information is needed when adding a new service area: service area name, description, type, and status. The name of a service area can be anything, for example, a city, a neighborhood, or a specific group of locations fed by a fiber service area. The service area type and status can be used to communicate information about the area, such as phased fiber construction progress, potential expansion opportunities, or wireless speed predictions. Service areas are adjusted as the network grows or changes. It's easy to make changes to a service area by either uploading a new KML shape or simply dragging the points of a shape to shrink or expand service availability. Accurate service areas are a key to offering accurate products and services for your company in Vision. Service offers are used to build out the internal and public shopping cart. An offer ties together service areas with a service package. Subscribers will then have the online option to check for available packages based on their exact address location. When adding a service offer, the first step is setting up the attributes of the offer. The recommended way of naming the offer is to include the speed as well as the kind of service, whether it be fiber or wireless internet. Offers are set up for the specific type of subscriber, like a business or residential service account. Setting up the start and end date of the service offer allows for certain promotions to automatically end, or you can make it available for the years to come if it is a standard pricing offer. After completing the attributes of the service offer, select the toggle switches to allow the offer to be pinned at the top of the shopping cart list or set it up to be visible on the online public shopping cart. The next step after the attributes and the offer being visible in the public shopping cart is to assign a service package to the offer. The last step to setting up a service offer is to select the service area or areas in which the offer will be available for subscribers. Service offers have the option to be categorized to help organize them based on the different types of offers you provide for subscribers, like voice, data, bundles, and interest packages. The detailed way you set up services to sell in Vision will help your company control what is available where. It allows companies to easily provide the sales agent the confidence in knowing the pricing and technology that is displayed is accurately based on the subscriber's exact address. So you aren't selling a fiber connection when it is a fixed wireless area, and you aren't selling a wireless connection when it is a fiber service area. Your company can also line out different pricing for different markets, so a sales agent is only selling the correct pricing and speeds in one town versus the next. When setting up a service to sell in Vision, if you have any questions, please visit our online support center or feel free to contact our support staff for assistance.